Let's explore how you can craft and share compelling narratives with our platform. Upon logging in, users are greeted with this feed screen where they can explore featured stories, featured authors, and a recommendation feed. Users also have ability to filter these stories according to the genre, and they also have the ability to search the story by their title or the author name. We also have a tab for notifications where all app notification will be displayed, and users can also manage their profile by going over here. They can select update their profile according to that. Also they can view like the collaborations they have made, any stories that they have bookmarked, or something which is in draft they have not shared it with the audience yet. So for this demonstration I'm going to show like how we can create a story. Click on right button over here, and here users have to define a minimal prompt. So this plot will be used to generate the story. Let's say I'm going to give this plot and I need to select a genre. So here I will select drama and generate story. While the story is generating, I will give you a brief like how our backend structure is working over here. So once a user gives the plot, this plot is fed into one of the master prompts that we had created, and that master prompt get fed to Gemini API, where Gemini generates not only just the story, it also generates another prompt which is required to generate the images. Gemini also creates story title for this, and it also creates a chapter title for this. And if you read the story, the image that is displayed over here captures the essence of that story, and this prompt is also given to us by Gemini. So I can select one of the cover image, and I can, if I want to, like I can go and edit the story if required. So let's not do that for now. Okay, you can find it over here. If everything looks fine, I can directly go and publish the story. Okay, I need to select this. While it publishes the story, it will also add a layer on the image which will contain the title of the chapter or the story. So here everything is done. I can share this story to my friends or family to read this, or to the world. So once that is done, I can go on and write next chapter as well from here. This was the demonstration like how we can create a new story. One of the highlights for our application is the collaborative storytelling, where let's say user 1 is creating some story, user 2 can go on the story, they can read it, and if they feel like they can add something to his storyline, they can go and contribute a new chapter for that story. And this circle goes on until the end of the story is written. So let's say I will go to one story which is not created by me. Let's say this one. I can read this story. Let's say I want to add something over it. I can go and write new chapter. I can say the protagonist. So Gemini have again did its magic. It have given us the plot that was used to feed an image generator, and it generated exactly what I had told. I can select one image, the story is generated for the chapter 2. I can go on and publish the story as well. So I have written the chapter 2 for this story, and let's say another user is coming and they like the story and they want to add something, they can go and again contribute to this. So yeah, this was all. Also, it's worth noticing that each plot undergoes a moderation layer to ensure appropriateness. So our moderation layer is actually implemented on every input layer, including the plot input, comment, and the inline story editing thing. This actually ensures that we maintain a respectful community for all our users. So for example, if I go to some user's profile and if I try to comment something which is not appropriate, the moderation layer will block from sending this comment. It also blocks any profanity or any kind of thing which is not actually respectful to the community. It will automatically block it from there. Also, one more thing about Talestitch is that when we have the collaboration feature, it is also important thing to maintain the story essence. So whenever a user generates a story, one summary is being created with the help of Gemini. And if let's say user 2 is writing his own version of the chapter, then this summary gets updated with the essence capturing the narrative of the whole story. So we are doing this to ensure that whenever a new chapter is created, it should not lose the prequels that happened before. So this is just to ensure that everything will be seen to user as a connected story. Thank you.